Does everybody call you bad at speed bridging? Yes. Do you want to learn how to speed bridge better? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Well, this is how you speed bridge better. Everybody, watch. So, start off by subscribing to Mr. Samuel YT, and then it should be like, and then you should be godly at it, like this. Yeah, that's what you should do. Thank you. Okay, yeah, just kidding. All you're supposed to do, first try normal. First, first try shifting forever, ever, and just timing when you click, and then just try holding in speed. Try speed bridging while holding. And then combine those two powers you just learned. And then the trick is not to hold shift for too long. See, if I hold it for too long, like, it's supposed to get repetitive. Like, watch me. I'm gonna go in F5 mode. Hope you enjoyed. And now watch some clips of me playing Bed Wars and destroying everybody with my epic speed bridge that nobody can do better except this YouTuber named D-Phone. But he sucks at Minecraft. Have fun, peace. I said bye. What is this? What is this lag?